Good morning, good morning.
Morning.
That's a beauty, this one is.
Would be if it weren't wet.
Sorry?
So it would be if it wasn't wet.
Yeah, I know. Still a beautiful day. Yeah. What's there?
So I'm just going to lift that back up for you.
Okay. Oh, beautiful. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it. I don't want him to get wet. Wow. Look at that. You've been taking care of this beauty.
Yes, we take care of them.
Yeah, thank you. You can close it down. Don't let some water go in. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it. Absolutely brilliant. For how long do you got it?
How long? This one, about 5 years.
5 years.
Yeah, but
Well, the previous owner took good care of him as well.
no.
Or did you restore it all?
We've got
Wow.
4 of them. So we've got the last one that was ever made of them. That was the first one we bought about 14 years since.
This it still runs. It still got some speed, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, yeah.
I saw you coming through. I pulled over to let you come through.
Oh, it was you.
It was me. Yeah, it was me. I was like, oh, I'm gonna hurry up because I was at work and they gave me the rest of the day off to
did
come
they?
here. So it's gonna be running. I don't care.
Yeah. So,
Wow, that's beautiful. I think I've